So, week 9. Discuss the IMO performance standard for ICDIS route planning. So, this is another part of the performance standard of the IMO performance standard for ICDIS. So, this part we're going to tackle the performance standard regarding to route planning. So, the IMO performance standard encompass various aspects of route planning, including ability to plan both straight and curved route segments and adjust planned route by adding or deleting waypoints and changing their position or orders. The IMO standard also mandates that the capability of the plan alternative routes, clearly distinguishing the form of selected route. Furthermore, the ECDIS must provide an indication if the route plan crosses the ship's safety contour or the boundary of the prohibited areas. Finally, mariners should be able to specify uh, the elevation limit of the post route. The targets are automatically off-track alarm that the requirements ensure that the ECDIS system provide a comprehensive route planning capabilities that enhance navigational safety and effectiveness. So, on this part, the IMO standard for route planning simply implies that if a mariner, for example, me, I am the second officer on board which is in charge for route planning. If I'm going to make a route plan, the ECDIS itself will alarm if the created route plan is danger or if there is a island or a shallow water that been kanang naigo siya or kanang nasulod siya sa safety contour ng vessel. So basically mag-alarm siya, and if I decided to create alternative route plan I mean. So it should be distinguishable from the original route plan that I've created. So this is to ensure that the navigator are safely created route plan without any hazards on the way or on the route plan that may threaten the safety of the vessel. So also this part of the ICDIS performance standard emphasizes the safety of the ICDIS capability to notice the mariner if the created route plan is hazardous or not, or if the created route plan violated or kanang naa siya naigo nga unnecessary and dili na safe ang imong barko if moagi mo ka ana nga specific area.